I fed 4 months of my private journal into an AI and gave it one instruction. Be my ruthless mentor. Don't sugarcoat anything. Tell me where my thinking is broken. And it came back with something I did not want to read. It showed me that across 4 months, I had written the same complaint 11 different ways, new language every time, and never once written down an actual decision. 4 months of what I called reflection. It was avoidance with good handwriting. The machine didn't know anything I didn't already know. It just refused to be nice about it. And that's the part nobody's telling you about AI. It isn't coming for your job. It's coming for the gap between how well you think and how well you actually think. Right now, you're being sold 2 versions of this, and neither helps you. Version 1, it's going to replace you. Panic. Version 2, it's your superpower. Buy 11 tools, become a genius by Friday. Here's what I actually think. AI won't replace you. Someone using AI will. And the difference between those 2 people has almost nothing to do with which tool they picked. Start with the most common complaint. You ask the AI something, you get generic garbage back, and you decide the whole thing is overhyped. Let me reframe what just happened. If you walked up to a colleague and said, "Handle the thing," you wouldn't get what you wanted either. Vague prompt, vague answer, and that vague answer isn't a report on the AI. It's a report on you. Most professionals have never had that exposed, because human colleagues cover for you. They guess your intent, and they're polite about it. The machine doesn't cover for you. It reflects exactly what you handed it. That's why it's a mirror before it's a tool. 1. Outsourcing the thinking instead of the building. People are using AI to generate the ideas, the opinion, the content. Here's the rule I hold hard. In my work, every idea is mine. AI is the builder. It takes what I already thought. In aviation, same rule. When I'm writing procedures, the thinking comes from me. The judgment is human. The machine assembles. 2. Letting it decide. AI is confident when it's wrong. It hallucinates. In aviation, an instrument never makes the decision. The instrument gives data. The human commands the aircraft. It informs. You decide. Decision fatigue is the actual load. So the temptation to let the machine choose is enormous. Get the weight off. What you want AI doing is compressing the structuring work. So your remaining energy goes to judgment. Not so you think less. So you think about the right things. Stop typing questions at AI. Start briefing it like a competent professional you just hired. 5 parts, 5 R's. Role, who it is. Reality, the actual facts. Result, exactly what done looks like. Rules, what it must not do. Ruthlessness, explicitly tell it to attack the weakest part of your reasoning. AI isn't going to replace you. It's going to make it very obvious, very fast, who was actually thinking and who was just busy. Take the Operational Resilience Assessment. It's free, links in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.